Hello. Today we are going to learn some verbs with sentences. He is dancing.
I am dancing. I am dancing.
He is running.
I am running. I am running.
He is walking.
I am walking. I am walking.
He is floating.
I am floating. I am floating.
He is eating.
I am eating. I am eating.
He is flying.
I am flying. I am flying.
He is flipping.
I am flipping. I am flipping.
He is playing.
I am playing. I am playing.
He is thinking.
I am thinking. I am thinking.
He is singing.
I am singing. I am singing.
He is coloring.
I am coloring. I am coloring.
He is swapping.
I am swapping. I am swapping.
He is pushing.
I am pushing. I am pushing.
He is reading.
I am reading. I am reading.
He is chatting.
I am chatting. I am chatting.
He is browsing.
I am browsing. I am browsing.
He is writing.
I am writing. I am writing.
He is yawning.
I am yawning. I am yawning. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.